Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Atchison and I have created two new logos for Arctic Treats so we can target both our American audience and appeal to our new global audience, specifically in India at this time. On the left you will see the American logo and on the right we have the Indian logo. The logo on the left shows 3 ice cream treats with a yellow circular background. The American culture likes to have options in the types of things that they buy and enjoy, including ice cream treats. They also seem to be on the go or in a hurry, so these treats on a stick or in a cone indicate that they can grab them and go and continue about their day. The font is very bold and bubbly, which reminds Americans of having fun and is easy to read. According to the International Color Symbolism Chart, the color yellow represents happiness, joy, optimism, and energy to Americans, which is appropriate because ice cream makes people happy, and you can personalize your treats that many people would want. The border of the logo is orange and represents energy, excitement, adventure, and creativity to Americans while being one of the most sacred colors in India. In India, orange represents purity, courage, religious abstinence, and so we would not want to use an orange in a logo for India. However, the Indian background is green because in India, green represents happiness, and again, ice cream makes people happy. In America, green is representative of jealousy, luck, greed, and going environmental, so we would want to avoid green in our American logo. The Indian logo shows a display of ice cream that is a little more fancy and in a glass dish, implying you would go inside and sit down while you enjoy it, not really a grab-and-go kind of style. The font in this logo is also a little more fancy because internationally we typically find sit-down food places to be more extravagant than American. Both of these logos are able to be converted to small and large icons to be placed on buildings, products, billboards, and as an app icon on a mobile device. According to Robin Landa, a symbol is an image that has an arbitrary or conventional relationship between the signifier and the thing signified. We decode meaning through learned associations. For example, a dove is a symbol of peace. An icon is a pictorial image or symbol used to represent these objects, actions, and concepts. An icon resembles the thing it represents, or at a minimum, shares a quality with. I believe our marketing organizations should consider these visually designed logos because they've been created to use the color based on the region in which they will be portrayed. They've been created to accommodate both large and small sizing of various uses so the company can have continuity in their logo or icon use. And the image itself reflects the lifestyles of both American and Indians to appeal and draw them in.